We speak diasporic tongues and we breathe the sands of Kismayo, Galkayo, and Bur'o. We burn in the same fires of our kinfolk. Who knows the civil war like my mother's feet and my father's eyes? I speak in the civility of Somali poetry. And when a woman is mourning, she brings her hands up to her head and says, Allahu gayay datkani mahasan ugubay. Oh God, what has burnt our people like this? Who knows the civil war of 91 like the farmers who created life in the nooks of Organica? Of men and women who come together in Jandair and Danta and sing with their lungs. Hey, hey. Helele hobala ye haye hey hey helele hobala ye haye hey hey hobela bayo